Here we derive the kinetic gas equation from kinetic molecular theory. Students, here we have to know the kinetic gas equation. Nothing but kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of a gas equation can be derived from the kinetic molecular theory. So kinetic energy equation already we have to know, that is the half mv square. But here that kinetic energy for gas equation can be derived from kinetic gas equation. So how we can derive? Let us see. So kinetic energy equation for gases from kinetic gas equation. So already we have to know kinetic gas equation is PV is equals to 1 by 3 mn u square. Let this equation is changes. Already in previous we discussed PV is equals to 1 by 3 can be written as a 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. This 2 get cancelled, remaining is the 1 by 3 mn u square. So this equation is changes as PV is equals to 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 mn u square. Let this is the equation 1. So kinetic energy equation, already we have to know kinetic energy. Normal kinetic energy equation is K is equals to half mv square. Here where v is the velocity, in place of v velocity, let we take the RMS velocity u. Then this equation is changes, Ke is equals to 1 by 2 mu square. So for n moles, this equation is changes as Ke is equals to half mn u square. Let this is the equation 2. Half mn u square. In equation 1, half mn u square will be present. So what here we can do? This equation 2 is substituted in the equation 1. Equation 2 is substituted in equation 1. So equation 1 is the PV is equals to 2 by 3. PV is equals to 2 by 3. In place of half mn u square, we should substitute the Ke value. Ke. Okay students. So equation 1 is changes as PV is equals to 2 by 3 into Ke. On cross multiplication, finally we get the Ke is equals to 3 by 2 into PV. Ke is equals to 3 by 2 into PV. So already we have to know 1 mole of ideal gas equation. 1 mole of ideal gas equation. What is that? PV is equals to RT. PV is equals to RT is the 1 mole of ideal gas equation. So in place of this PV, we should substitute the RT. So then this equation is changes as K is equals to 3 by 2. In place of PV, we should substitute the RT. Okay students, K is equals to 3 by 2 RT. This is the kinetic energy equation for gases for 1 mole. Okay students, 1 mole of kinetic energy gas equation, K is equals to how much? 3 by 2 RT. 1 mole of kinetic energy equation. What is that? 1 mole of kinetic energy equation. 1 mole of kinetic energy equation is 3 by 2 RT. 3 by 2 RT. Then this is the 1 mole. For 1 molecule kinetic energy equation means this 1 mole equation is divided with the Avogadro number capital N. So Ke is divided by Avogadro number N is equals to 3 by 2 RT is divided by capital N. Then we get the how much? For 1 molecule kinetic energy equation. For 1 molecule kinetic energy equation, here how we can get the 1 molecule kinetic energy equation means 1 mole kinetic energy equation is divided with Avogadro number. So, one molecule kinetic energy equation is Ke divided by N is equals to 3 by 2 capital R by N into T. So, here this capital R by N we should call as a Boltzmann constant. Okay, students, capital R by N is taken as a Boltzmann constant that can be indicated with the K. So, K Boltzmann constant is equals to R by N, where R is the universal gas constant and N is the Avogadro number. Universal gas constant means its value is the 8.314 into 10 to the power of 7 ergs per Kelvin per molecule universe, and N is the Avogadro number. Its value is the 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecule universe and mole universe. So, K is the Boltzmann constant, R by N. Then here we are substituted its values. So, finally we get the Boltzmann constant value on simplification. How much? 1.38 into 10 power minus 16 erg per Kelvin per molecule. So, when it is converted into the joules, so the Boltzmann constant K is equals to 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 in joules per Kelvin per molecule universe. So, this is about the Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant means it is the ratio of the universal gas constant and Avogadro number. Universal gas constant and Avogadro number, that is the R by N, is called as a Boltzmann constant. It is denoted with K. Its value is the 1.38 into 10 power minus 16 ergs per Kelvin per molecule and 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 joule per Kelvin per molecule universe. So, this is about the Boltzmann constant. Next, our 1 mole kinetic energy equation is K is equals to 3 by 2 RT. For example, for N moles, then the equation is the K is equals to 3 by 2 nRT. So, this is the N moles kinetic energy equation. N moles kinetic energy equation is the K is equals to 3 by 2 nRT, where N is the number of moles of a gas and capital R is the universal gas constant and capital T is the absolute temperature. Always for gases it taken in a Kelvin scale only. So, this is the kinetic energy equation can be deduced from kinetic gas equation. For in the states of matter topic in this chapter, kinetic gas equation means always we should use this one. You should forget the kinetic energy equation, that is of mv square. Here in the states of matter chapter, when they asking the any problems on the kinetic energy of gases, you should remember this is the equation, that is the 3 by 2 nRT. So, let us see one problem. Let us see one problem which is given in our intermediate textbook on the kinetic energy equation. So, the problem is to calculate the kinetic energy of 5 moles of nitrogen gas at 27 degrees Celsius. What is the kinetic energy? So, already we have to know kinetic energy Ke is equals to formula is the 3 by 2 nRT, where N is the number of moles, capital R is the universal gas constant. T is the absolute temperature. So in given problem, a number of moles. How many moles will be given? 5 moles. T, temperature is also given, that is the 27 degrees Celsius. So you should remember, for states of matter is related to gases. So for gases, the temperature always taken in a Kelvin scale. How it is converted? Simple. Plus 273.15, nothing but 273. So that is the 300 degree Kelvin. 300 degree Kelvin. So temperature is in Kelvin scale. Next, what about universal gas constant? So universal gas constant value will be present in joules, 8.314 joules. If it is present in ergs, 8.314 into 10 power 7 ergs. If it is in calorie, approximately 2 calories. So here we will take which value? So in given problem, they do not asking any units. Here we take the any one value of the universal gas constant. But in given problem, if they asking in joules, we should take the R value in joule. If they are asking in calories, if you take the R value in calories. When they do not asking the any units, here we take the any one of the R value. So here let we take the 8.314 joules. 8.314 joules per Kelvin per mole universe. So this is the R value, N value, T value. So all values are substituted in the equation, that is the Ke is equals to 3 by 2. N means 5 moles, R means 8.314 joules into T means 300 Kelvin. So on simplification, finally we get the 18706.60 joules. So kinetic energy on simplification, we get the 18706.60 joules. So this is the method is used for solving the problem which will be given in the kinetic energy equation for gas.